Hey everyone, welcome back to Technical Professor. So this is the channel for AI and machine learning. Wish best of luck for learning. Let's start it.
Everyone is running towards AI right now, but here is the scary truth 90% of people learning AI today will be quite within 1 year. Not because AI is so hard, but because they are learning the wrong things. And if you are watching this video, I will show you exactly how to stay ahead while other get left behind. So welcome back to Technical Professor. So where we simplify AI and tech for everyone. If you want to build real AI skills and grow your career and stay future proof, subscribe now because this channel is made exactly for that. Now let's talk about why most people fail in AI and how you can avoid it. So most beginners make the same mistake. They spend hours watching random AI videos, trying new tools, and jumping from Chat to Gemini and Gemini to Midjourney. But they never build real skills. AI is becoming like the internet in the early uh, 2020 century. So everyone wants quick money, everyone wants shortcuts, but companies don't pay for only who know prompts. But they pay for the people who can solve real problems and you can make fast coding AI tools, overwhelm students coding clips, news headlines about AI. So the biggest opportunity today is not using AI. It's understanding how AI works and where business actually need it. Okay. So why people fail? So point one is no roadmap. Most people have no roadmap. They learn random things every week and expect results. And learning without building, watching tutorials, not is not learning. Building projects is learning. If you even build three solid AI projects, you are already be ahead of thousands of people. Then copy paste syndrome, like many beginners copy code from GitHub without understanding anything. They might help views, but it won't help your career. So the real AI roadmap will be step one, you should learn foundation, and before advanced AI, learn Python, data structures, APIs, basic machine learning. So these are the learning foundation for AI technologies. So step two will be build simple projects. Start with AI chatbot, resume analyzer, AI image generator, YouTube title generator. So you can build these simple projects. And step three is learn real tools. Then move to OpenAI APIs, LangChain, Vector database, AI agents. Then step four will be share online. This is where most people miss huge opportunities and document your journal checking online. So your LinkedIn profile plus GitHub plus YouTube, you can become your data resume also. You can become okay. Then set. Then fourth will be the big opportunity will be. Here is the exciting part. We are still early. Business everywhere are looking for the people who understand AI workflows, automation, and problem solving. The next 5 year will create AI engineers, AI automation experts, prompt engineers, AI content creators, AI product builders. The people will start today will dominate tomorrow. So don't just consume AI content, build with AI. If you are serious about running AI step by step, subscribe to the Technical Professor right now and comment below what AI skill you are learning in 2026. I need every comment. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much.